So, this meditation is about connection to the different parts of ourselves. And so, I just gently invite us to close our eyes. Withdraw the awareness inward. Allowing the breath to move naturally in and out, and dropping the attention down, beginning to slow down, and soften, become permeable. Begin to tune your attention into your feet, noticing the physical sensations of the feet, the temperature of the feet, and on the out breath, just dropping deeper into the feet on the out breath. Then move the attention into the legs. Just noticing the quality of the legs. Becoming aware of areas that you feel well and areas that you feel less well. And then bring your attention into the hips and the lower abdomen. And the out breath, just feeling into the space, tuning in deeper, yet gently. And bring your attention up into the chest cavity and the upper back. On the out breath, just dropping in and inhabiting the area of the chest cavity and the upper back. bringing your attention into your shoulders, arms, and hands. Just becoming aware of how deep you can go into your shoulders, arms, and hands. And then bringing your attention into your neck and head, the jaw area, the mouth, around the eyes, the forehead, the ears. Just beginning to become very still and present in your body. And then now tuning in to your energy level in your physical body. Just noticing what areas of your body have a high energy level and what areas of your body have a lower energy level. Just becoming aware as you scan through your body like an X-ray. What areas feel more alive, active, pulsing? Getting in touch with the movement of the energy level in your body. That your energy is not just in one place, but it's moving in your body. And on the in-breath in, allowing vibrant, fresh energy to enter your body. And on the out-breath, just softening, allowing the energy to move. The in-breath inviting new energy, vitality into your body. And then the out-breath beginning to just soften just a little bit more each time. And slowly opening your eyes. Throughout the journey of our life, we have different energy levels. It's important to take time to go within and to fill our own cup so that we may meet the world and express ourselves in the world as our total being. Thank you for joining me.